We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing names from Harry Potter that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, this is the name of a French school of magic, right? Academy of Magic. So I guess perhaps it should be said the French way. For reference, in French it is said as Beauxbatons, Beauxbatons, meaning beautiful sticks, because beau means beautiful and bâton means sticks. So that's the plural form of it. That's why there is an S at the end of it, but the S is silent. So in English this is generally said as Beauxbatons, Beauxbatons Academy, Beauxbatons, especially in American English, although some also say it as Beauxbatons, Beauxbatons. Generally speaking, Beauxbatons, or if you want to adopt the French pronunciation, Beauxbatons. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Character names from Harry Potter included. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.